patio heater starts up fine, but after a short time, to see the problem and fix it, you need to remove these 4 screws and lift the top up off the heater. The burners are made with these 2 discs with a corrugated edge forming little nozzles. They're spot welded at these points, but after a while the spot welds come loose, allowing these 2 pieces to separate. When the heater is on, they separate even more. The solution is to get some of these large staples that are used to hold wiring down in your house or garage. You're going to need 10 of them. You need to snip off about 3/8 of an inch out of one corner, forming a little L. And then using your pliers, you want to bend the 2 legs together till they're almost snug. This is what the finished product looks like. Make 10 of them. Place them every 5 nozzles apart, except in 2 places they're going to have to be 6 nozzles apart. Make sure they're nice and snug. Here we are with the pilot on. I'm going to turn it on to the low setting. Get a nice even distribution of flames all the way around. But the cover's not on, so the wind's blowing it around quite a bit. Now I've got the top on. We'll turn it on the low setting. Beautiful flames. Turn it on the high setting. Problem solved. One word of caution. Don't pry apart the 2 discs or you'll have a hard time getting it all back together.